Hi, this is a brief guide to using the Equiitext Android app. The app is designed to send out SMS messaging to groups of contacts while giving the illusion that you are texting each contact individually. We're recommending this for small to medium businesses to assist in reaching out to their customer base with keyword responses, offering opt-in and opt-out options for TCPA compliance. Let's get started. We search for Equiitext in the Google Play Store, and then we are going to install, which you can see that I have already installed, and I'm ready to open the app. And we can see on the home screen of the app that we have some options here. We have our send messages. This is where you'll go to send that message for your campaign. We have manage contacts. This is where we will find our groups and import our contacts to the group. We have scheduled messages. This is where we can schedule our messages to go out or schedule a drip campaign. We have automatic replies. This is using keywords to have an automatic reply respond. These are set up with your business profile that you can find in settings. Let's get started here. We go to manage contacts. We want to add our first group. And we're given the option of adding new or importing contacts, and we want to create a new group. And we're going to name our new group. And we click on add. And we are ready to add our group to our contacts. We have some options here. We can pick from all the contacts on your device. We can import from the address book, also on your device. We can also manually add our contacts, that's individually adding contacts, or we can import a CSV, VCF, or XLS. I'm going to choose to import the CSV, taking me to choose how to format my numbers. My numbers are all national, they're all in the US, so I'm going to submit under national. And here we have the contacts import agreement, just verifying that we do have permission from the contact to send text messages to them. It is illegal and non-compliant to send anyone messages without permission in the US and Canada. I'm going to click I agree. And I'm brought to my file manager. My file is in the downloads folder. I'm going to go here, click on the file, and now I am loading my contacts into the group that we created. And this is just going to take a couple minutes. You can see that you have a status here of how many total contacts are being imported. It does do it in blocks of 250. I might also mention that our app is at a cost of $29.99 and for an unlimited plan, and we offer free scrubbing credits to go along with that. So here we have 765 total contacts imported. And when I click OK, it takes me to a screen so that I can remove landlines in advance by using the new landline scrubbing service. And this does help your campaigns to run faster with a better deliverance. So we're going to remove the landlines. And it gives us a neg that letting us know that it's going to charge us credits in the following order. It will charge you your scrubbing credits. If you do not have any scrubbing credits left on the account, it will charge monthly and rollover credits, although if you are partaking in the unlimited plan, it will not cost you anything more than your subscription for the month. We're going to continue. And just going to take a couple minutes to run through our 765 phone numbers to be checked. It's running rather quickly here. And it's almost completed. Just a few more to go. And we are complete. We have our scrub results here. And we see that there's been 5 landlines that have been verified. We want to go ahead and click verify. And we now have the option that we can delete our landlines that we have found. Clicking delete. And I am brought back to our contact list. I want to select send to send our campaign out. And this is our inbox where we will see messages that are going out, as well as message responses that are being brought back in. I'm going to go to send campaign. And I can see that I can resume a blast if I would like, but I'm not going to do that. We're preparing to send a new campaign. And we could see that we're given the option that are we sure, and yes, I am sure I want to clear that. I want to start a new campaign. Here we have our speed slider, 250 messages per hour. That's for the best deliverance. If you think that there's a chance that your messages are not going out, you may want to slow that down even a little bit more. I come down here. I have some syntax that I can add to my messages to make them more personal. I can click name, and I can then add my messages with the name included. I'm going to say have you heard of our offer today? Question mark. And I can start my send. It asks me if I'm sure I want to start sending my messages now. Yes, I do. And here we have our options. We could see that these messages are going to be sent out. It's 3 hours and 3 minutes remaining for my campaign. I have the option I can run this in the background, or I can pause it and run it later or even tomorrow, as you had seen just a little bit earlier, because it will give us the option to resume the campaign if we pause. I want to go ahead and pause the campaign for now. We do have templates that can be saved and used for later. We can star messages. And lots of things to select and see as far as features and functions. Lots of functionality in this app. If you have any questions or need assistance, you can always give us a call at 888-501-3550 or visit us on equitext.com. Thanks for watching.